Here I've got OPPO A9 2020, and let me show you how to add a note on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to locate Tools and open them. From the following applications, choose Keep Notes, this orange one, and now tap on the plus icon to add the note. And now you can enter the title, so let me make a to-do list. And here you can enter whatever you want to. Let me click work or walk, whatever you would like to have here. You can also add some check marks. Simply click on this plus icon here and now select check boxes here, the last option, and as you can see, then you will be able to mark all the done stuff, just like that. Now if you will go back, you can also add the other note. Tap here to draw actually your note if you want to. So here you got HardReset.Info, and you can write whatever you want to, like if you will be doing it in the normal proper notebook. So let me go back. This is your note. You can pin it if you want to. You can add some alarm reminder if you want to. So click on save, and that would be all. As you can see here, you've got the notes, and you can use this application as often as you want to. As you can see, it's very handy and useful, and you will not forget about any important stuff. So that would be all. This is how you can add a note in your OPPO A9. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.